So I'm going to talk about our Skool community. So it used to be on Facebook group. This is a different Facebook account I've got, so I'm not in this group anyway. It's on my other account, personal one, but we're on there. A few issues sometimes there is with the algorithm on Facebook. So hopefully I'm allowed to do this. I'll try and not display email addresses. I don't think it would anyway. But I'll head over to our new community, which is on Skool, in just 2 minutes. So I get all my updates on it. So this is our founder, and this is the update on done for you system. So he can post the updates, and this is one of the sort of key things on it. It's not got the training here. I've got leaderboard. Or hopefully I'm allowed to show the names. It's not broken any rules. So we're at number 2. So eventually we're going to have a reward system, perhaps getting traffic and other things. So that's where that comes into it. So instead of being on Facebook, we're now on Skool. So I was going to go through it. But here is one of the pluses of the business update on or done for you system. So at the time of doing it, would it be a free service where you would need to manually set it up, or paid? So it's now going to be a service where you don't need to pay for it, but you get a lot of good updates on it and different things. If I can just watch that video and you can see it in action. If I get the other updates as well. Let's come up with that one anyway, because I have a different account. Which so here it is here. Here's the most recent update. It's coming soon, and then so you can find out up-to-date things about the business. So maybe watch that video and then you'll get to see it in action. If we come out, I'll come back. Won't watch it all, but just a few minutes. I'll come back in a few minutes.
Alright, hey, what's up guys? So just an update on our done for you system. This has been very frustrating. I want to show you guys behind the scenes of what's happening, what the solutions are, and basically the options. Okay, so in the last video I explained how this page here, the one that has all 300 and whatever emails, is very slow. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let me just refresh this. I'm not going to cut or edit this video, so we are just going to be on this page together for the next however long. Okay, so for this page to actually be functional, we sort of need to wait for system to load all these emails. I think this company is actually called System, but I'm just going to keep calling them Systemy so you guys know what I'm talking about when I reference this tool. Anyway, so we need to wait until all these emails are loaded for this page to be somewhat useful. Okay, again, it might take like 40 seconds depending on your computer, whatnot. Let's just keep waiting. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not gonna cut this out. Just want to show you guys in real time how long it takes for this page to load. Okay, so that is the first point I want to talk about, is that this page here takes a very long time to load. Okay, now the second thing I want to talk about is that we can't activate the emails for you, and you can't even activate the emails yourself if you do not have an authenticated email. So this is a test account I have here, right? I have no emails set up, so I haven't verified any emails, I haven't authenticated any. domain for me to use, which basically means I can't activate these emails. So if I go here and click on activate, I should get a message that says to send emails from this email address, blah, blah, blah. You need to authenticate it. And if we go to the drop down, there is nothing because I haven't added anything in. Okay. So the reason why this is important is because if I was to create a service that activates the campaigns for you, I would need to have an authenticated domain inside your account. Okay. And obviously I can't use a legitimate domain authentication that you can use to send out emails because I can't apply that same process to the masses, right? So let me just close this. Okay. In other words, once we build the system for you, we can't activate the campaign for you. So the first option is that you would have to authenticate the domain yourself, and then you would have to activate the emails yourself. Okay. Now let me hop over to my other sub account and show you what it looks like when I have an authenticated domain. So let me go back in here and again let it load. And as it loads,
So you get the idea. You can join our Skool community and find out exactly what's happening in our business, and it's a great way to communicate with others as well. So if this is on YouTube, you've seen it, but perhaps because it's showing names, maybe it won't, but hopefully it does, and we'll post it in a few minutes, of course. So really do join us by clicking the link in description. It's a business unlike any other, and we'd love to have you, and it's free. Hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.